Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Temple of Possibilities. I am Minister William, or Reverend Will if you wish, leading today's sermon of December 3rd, 2023. And as always, we'll start with a moment of silence for prayer, meditation, or what have you. All right, thank you. Today's sermon is called The Monkey and the Ladder. The Monkeys in a Ladder. And as always, as normal, is on ortonshortstories.com. A group of scientists placed 5 monkeys in a cage. In the middle of the cage they placed a ladder with bananas on the topmost stair. Every time a monkey climbed up the ladder, the scientists poured cold water over the monkeys. After a while, every time a monkey made an attempt to climb, the others would pull it down and beat it up. As a consequence, no monkey dared climb the ladder, disregard of the temptation to do so. The scientists then replaced one of the monkeys. The first thing this new monkey did was climb the ladder. Immediately, the others pulled him down and beat him up. After several beatings, the new monkey learned that he wasn't supposed to climb the ladder, even though there was no evident rational reasons not to do so. The second monkey was substituted with another new monkey, and the same result was observed. The first monkey participated in the beating of the second monkey. A third monkey was changed, and the same thing repeated. One by one, all the monkeys were replaced. The cage then had a group of 5 entirely new monkeys without ever having received a cold shower, continuing to beat up any monkey who attempted to climb the ladder. If it was possible to ask the monkeys why they did so, their most likely answer would be, "I don't know, it's just how things are done around here." Does that statement sound familiar to you? Moral: the one who follows the crowd will usually go no further than the crowd. Those who walk alone are likely to find themselves in places no one has ever been before. One of the things I always try to express is to follow the path that is right for you. Don't do something just because somebody tells you that it's the right way to go or something. If you can feel in your gut that it is the wrong way for you, you should go your own way, no matter what anybody says about it. As long as you're not hurting yourself, you're not hurting anybody else, follow your own path and never let anyone turn you from it. No matter how important they are to you, you cannot go with the crowd, or you will not move to the ultimate possibilities that you can do. You'll never go any further than the crowd lets you if you don't follow your own path. You can either be a follower and go nowhere, or be a trailblazer and follow your own path and do great things. Like I said, that's one of the main lessons of uh, this church. There are no wrong paths in life. There are only wrong paths for you. And you have to find your right path in order to soar to the skies. And never let anyone pull you down and tell you otherwise. And on that note, I'd like to remind everybody that this Friday, December 7th, is the first day of Hanukkah. So that it also means that is the start of our winter celebration, Chris Johanna Kwanzaa, which always starts on the 1st of Hanukkah, goes through Christmas, and ends on the last day of Kwanzaa, or New Year's. But I hope you all have a good celebration, whether you choose to celebrate the entire event or just celebrate for the part that corresponds with your personal faith or holiday that you normally celebrate. But remember, when we all come together, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next week. Bye.